Dear students, today's topic is homeopathic prescription writing. Prescription writing. Etymology. The word prescription is derived from the Latin word prescripto. Para means before and scrivo means I write. In some books, pre means before and scripto means write is also given. Definition. Prescription is a written direction given by a physician to his own compounder or any pharmacist for the preparation of medicine as well as instruction to the patient about mode of intake. Prescription writing. Need of prescription writing. Number 1. If physician dispense a medicine to a patient from own medical box or stock, so there is no need to write a prescription, but the physician must keep the whole record of patient for future reference. Number 2. But if the physician wants to serve a medicine by his own compounder, then he should write the prescription to the patient in Latin or simple form in good handwriting. Prescription writing. Principle of writing an ideal prescription. Number 1. Norms. Means pattern. So definite pattern are superscription, inscription, subscription and last signature. Number 2. Forms. It should be written in Latin or simple form. Number 3. Legibility. It should be easily readable by pharmacist and patient. Number 4. Accuracy and reliability of ingredients. The medicine and vehicle should be genuine and pure. Number 5. Administering the smallest dose. It means minimum dose, which is one of the cardinal principles of homeopathy. Number 6. Incompatibles. Inimical medicines are not to be used. Prescription writing. Different part of ideal prescription writing. Superscription, inscription, subscription, signature. Number 1. Superscription. It includes for, then name of the patient and address, then age, then sex, and last RX. RX symbol receive means to take and prayer to Jupiter god before writing a prescription by physician. Prescription writing. Inscription is the second part of prescription. It includes name of remedy, its potency and its quantity. Then name of vehicle and its quantity. Dear student, it is a vital part of prescription writing because it contains the medicine as well as vehicle. Prescription writing. Subscription is the third part of prescription writing. In this part, physician gives a direction to compounder about how to prepare a medicine and how to dispense the remedy to the patient. Dear student, MFT mixed means to add and mix well. MFT pulp means to add and make powder. Prescription writing. Signature. It is the last part of prescription writing. It includes direction to the patient and signature of physician. Direction to the patient. It is always written in simple language and in good handwriting. How to take a remedy. For example, OD means one time a day, BD means two times a day, TDS means three times a day, QID means four times a day, HS means at bedtime, VAC1 means in empty stomach. When to report a doctor, advice about diet, yoga, investigation. Next is signature of physician with date and registration number should be written in the bottom of right corner.